Добрый день! Привет! Hello everyone who's here to learn Russian. Today's video is going to be about very important grammar basics. Now, if you're serious about learning and mastering Russian, then you definitely need to learn about the 3 genders of nouns. First of all, nouns are the words that express objects, people, and animals. In Russian language, there are 3 genders of nouns: masculine, feminine, and neuter. You can tell them apart by their ending. For example, the masculine nouns end in a consonant. That is one of these letters on the screen. Дом, автобус, парк, друг, партнер. Or masculine nouns may also end in this letter that gives the sound y. For example, музей or чай. They can also end in the soft sign that has no sound. День, рубль. Feminine nouns end in a or я or the soft sign. For example, женщина, семья, ночь, площадь. Notice that some masculine nouns that refer to male people also end in a or я. For example, папа, дядя, or дедушка, Сережа, Nikita, Sasha, and many other man names. Neuter nouns end in о or е or мя. Окно, молоко. Море, здание. Кафе. Время, имя. The borrowed words такси и кафе are both neuter nouns. Nevertheless, the word кофе, coffee, кофе, for some reason is a masculine noun in Russian. Attention to the letter soft sign at the end of nouns. This letter has no sound, but it indicates that the preceding consonant, the preceding letter, must be pronounced soft. And nouns ending in this soft sign can be either masculine or feminine. And there's absolutely no way to know which gender it is, but to memorize 2 lists of words. Here is the list of the most commonly used masculine nouns ending in the soft sign. День, день. Рубль, рубль. Дождь, дождь. Гость, гость. Учитель, учитель. Plus all the professions that end in тель. Водитель, строитель, and many more. Then the word словарь, словарь, plus all the words that end in арь. Фонарь, for example, секретарь, and the list with feminine nouns ending in the soft sign. мать, дочь, ночь, дверь, кровать, площадь, соль, любовь, plus all the nouns that end in oth. Новость, plus all the nouns that end in ost. That's all you need to know about 3 genders of nouns in Russian. I really hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as there are many more videos coming out to support beginners in Russian. And for those of you who are willing to put in practice everything they know and start actually communicating, speaking Russian, there's an online course of mine that takes only 50 minutes of your time. You'll watch small video lessons and then have phone conversations with me to practice immediately what you learn. Like this, we make sure that you start speaking Russian from the very first day. And that's really exciting. This course has 2 programs, for complete beginners and for those who already speak some Russian. Click on the link in the description box to enroll in the course and try it for free. I thank you for learning Russian. Спасибо, что вы учите русский. Пока!